Hey, what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could set up your Trust wallet on iOS and how to connect that into PancakeSwap in order to buy these small market cap coins. Now, in the past, I previously made a video about using Coinbase wallet, but I have found a better solution, which is the Trust wallet. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Since this is an iPhone tutorial, go ahead and grab your iOS device and boot that thing up. All right, once you guys are in your iOS device, what you guys are gonna wanna do is head over to the App Store, right? So once we head over to the App Store, we're gonna wanna go ahead and click the search button and hit Trust wallet, and it should be the first one that pops up. Trust wallet, crypto, and Bitcoin wallet. You guys are going to want to install that onto your iOS device, and as soon as that is installed, you're going to want to head over to the Trust wallet. So since my Trust wallet is already set up, I have no issues with this. But in terms of setting this thing up brand new, you guys are going to want to write down that secret phrase, that 12 keyword phrase, and then set your password. Once you guys do that, you guys are going to be redirected into this screen. And now you're probably asking, hey, so how do I connect this with PancakeSwap in order for me to buy these coins? I'm going to show you right now. So if you guys just installed the app, there's a browser section at the bottom, which you guys are not going to be able to see. But in order to activate that, what you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to go over to your Safari browser. Once you head over to your Safari browser, you are going to want to type in this URL, trust://browser_enable. Once you guys do this, it's going to redirect you to open the Trust wallet. And from there, you should have the browser unlocked. Now, in order to go to PancakeSwap, you guys are going to want to scroll down to popular and then hit PancakeSwap. And there it is, guys. You'll be able to switch your smart chain BNB into whatever small cap cryptocurrency you want. So this works for anything you might find on Reddit, any small crypto coin like Bonfire, such as like these Donald Pump coins, any shit coin you guys will be able to purchase through PancakeSwap. So pretty simple tutorial, guys. I wanted to make this very quickly to show you guys how you guys can set up your Trust wallet. I've been getting a lot of questions emailed to me on how to set this up. So here's a quick little video on how to do it. Now, if you guys like this content, smash that subscribe button. A lot more content is coming soon, now in the near future. And without further ado, guys, have a great rest of your day. Peace out.